my hurricane season. And so thanks to Scratchmaster295 for helping me make this hurricane simulator. I got some comments, which is nice. But let's just simply start it. I think that would be good to do. Oh, and this is the server backdrop. It took me about 20 minutes or 15 to type in the names and stuff, because these are 2020 names. Let's just get on to the season. It's somewhat hyperactive, you know. One time I got to name Theta, which is a record. I was gonna upload a video they record on November 1st, but it just deleted its own file, so I couldn't do it. But let's just try and get a good video here. Oh, if you could follow me on Scratch, that would be nice. And also, this is in a studio. But yeah, can we get 1 million projects? I hope that person can. Let's go in full wait, no, that might crash the recording system, so you can't. Oh, there goes Hurricane Arthur. It's your King Arthur, everyone. It's your king. Ooh, Category 4. Nice. These are my predictions. Ooh, just formed Berkfield, but then just disappeared. I'm gonna show Drax at the end. So I'm just gonna take it out like Force 13 does not write the tracks sometimes. So yeah, I'm trying to make this similar to Force 13 simulation. Ooh, Crystal Ball just wrecked Miami and Key West and those areas. Oh, there goes Dolly and Edward. Ooh, right on Bermuda? Oh yeah, that's actually pretty rare. If we get a 200-mile-per-hour plus storm, that would be insane. If we can do that, then you better like it. If you don't, then I can't. Ooh, here goes oh man, this is hyperactive already. Ooh, Cape Verde. Cape Verde came. Ooh, Cat 5. Oh, why do they make landfall in South America? I hate when it does this. This tanks your power. No! So close, yo. Ooh, a Hypercane. You liked it. Good job. No storms. Not really active right now. Oh, there goes Sally. And South America again. Just hate it. The storms would be like I hate the Brazil. I don't know why they're doing that. Ooh, this one's gonna be a hurricane. Yep, I was right. Oh, they all die out when they do the Pacific crossover thing. These are tracks. I assume there's gonna be like one more storm after Ricky. It sometimes gets to Greeks. That's pretty rare. Oh yeah, and there's the last one. Yeah, I just got notification in another place, I think. Please be a Christmas storm. Yeah, I doubt it. Oh, so close. That was Cape Verde for sure. And that's it. This is what you want to see, so yeah. here's the logs if you want to see it. Oh, and I had to fix this. That's from Scratchmaster, not me. I had to fix that. Oh, and thanks to Scratchmaster295 for helping me make this video. I'm just gonna start from the top. Oh, Nana was 208. You liked the video, so thank you. But yeah, I think that's just about it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comments. Well, no, not comment because it's for kids, but I'll just see you later.